Redline Tuning here, talking to you about the installation for our new bolt-in system for the 2005 to 2014 Mustang. Let's go over the contents of the system. We've got our 2 hood inserts, our 2 fender brackets, and our 2 gas springs. The other tools that are required for this installation are a 1/2-inch socket and a 10mm socket. Let's begin the installation. If your car is equipped with a sound tube, we'll need to move the sound tube to the lower portion of the fender. You do that by loosening the bolt, removing the insert that's on the fender area. We'll turn the insert upside down and move the sound tube below. Then we'll feed the bolt through. As I said, you turn this upside down and you just tighten the bolt. When doing the final tightening, you want to make sure that you're pushing the bracket towards the fender area. Now we'll move on to the installation of the insert into the hood. On the stock hood, you'll see a hole about halfway up the hood. We'll insert the insert into the hole and begin hand tightening this. It's okay if it moves around a little bit. When you're about to fully tighten it down, make sure that the insert is biased towards the outside hood skin. Finger tighten, and then continue to tighten with your socket. You're now ready to install the gas springs. Begin with the lower bracket by simply pushing and spinning on, and moving on to the insert that's in the hood.